Hey folks, welcome back. Thumbnail decides whether someone clicks or scroll past your video. And to make it more attractive, you have to make your thumbnail look great. First of all, go to your app store and now search for Canva. And now you will see Canva is already been downloaded in my phone. Just tap on here and now just search here for templates. Now search thumbnails. And now you will see all the free thumbnails idea that you can use and you can change too. Let me show you how you can do this. Let's see. For me, if I'm going to remove this India to something else like USA, and now just tap return, and you will see the text is already been changed, and that's it. You can now able to make your easy, attractive thumbnails for your YouTube videos. It's a game changer, and if you want more editing tips like this, subscribe and like, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care and bye bye.